In Azure virtual machines, there is one important feature related to virtual machine auto shutdown. While creating the VM, we can enable this so that at a defined point of time, the VM gets shut down automatically. We can enable these features in scenarios where the VM does not need to run 24/7. And the benefit of this feature is, in case you forget to shut down the virtual machine, it will automatically stop and you won't lose money unnecessarily. Just think of a scenario: you have started a VM and somehow you have forgotten to shut it down. It will continue to run and you will incur cost unknowingly. In case your workload is more than 24 hours or you need to run the VM continuously for 2-3 days, you don't need to enable this option. But otherwise, we should always enable this particular option as a safeguard. Let me show you how to enable this feature. I'm in Azure portal. I'm clicking on this hammer icon, selecting virtual machines, clicking on create Azure virtual machine. Now here, these are the typical options for VM creation. This is the basics page where we can enter the name and the other details, but I will directly go to the section where we need to set up this automatic shutdown. This is under management. If I scroll down, this is the option auto shutdown. So while creating the VM, when we come to this management page, we should enable this automatic shutdown. We can mention the shutdown time. Just be aware the time zone you need to set as per your own time zone so that you can place the proper timing. For example, I'm in India. I'm going to select my time zone over here. And maybe at daily 8 p.m. I'm going to shut down my VM. So what will happen before shutdown? I think 30 minutes before the shutdown, there would be one email that would be triggered to the email ID, whatever is mentioned in this particular box. This is a feature which is overlooked most of the times, but whenever you are creating any VM for official purpose, unless there is a workload that spans over 24 hours, I would suggest to use this option based on your scenario and preference.